What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today I'm going to tell you how you can download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows or Mac machines. Well, if you didn't get the news, VLC Media Player got banned in India, and the ban got applied 2 months ago. It was a soft ban because there was an investigation going on, and during that investigation they had to suspend all their services in India, including their website and download links. So recently we get to know that the ban got permanent, and the Indian government has banned everything from their website to download links. Even you cannot upgrade your pre-installed VLC Media Player on your Windows or Mac machine because of this ban. But today I'm going to tell you how you can download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows or Mac machine even without accessing the VideoLAN website. So the first trick is, of course, you can download a free VPN, set the location to anywhere but India, and you will be able to access the website, download it and install it on your Windows machine. But this trick is not working for everyone because free VPNs sometimes does not work at all, and I know you don't want to pay for premium VPNs just to download VLC Media Player. So today I'm going to tell you how you can do that without paying a single penny. Alright, so the first thing that you have to do is open a browser. Basically open an incognito window in a browser and search for old versions. And you will see this website, oldversion.com. And in here, you just have to search for VLC and select VLC from here, and you'll find all the released VLC Media Player versions for your Windows or Mac machine. Just download it from here and you will be able to install it on your computer. So as you can see here, the download is ready. Just download it and install it on your machine. It's that easy. You don't have to even download a VPN or access the website using some proxy or something. You can easily download it from here. Now if you're wondering if it is available for Android right now, yes, it is available. You can download easily from the Google Play Store. Just search for VLC and it's right there. So if you want to download it on your Android devices like smartphone, tablets, you can easily install it from the Google Play Store. You don't have to worry about that. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.